Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. It's quite simple, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this in just a few minutes. So first of all, you want to go to your Facebook Ads Manager. You can do that by going to facebook.com/ads manager, and you'll end up over here. It will probably look like this if you've never ran any ads on this account, but you simply want to click on the create button, the green create button right there. It will go over to this page where you should click on conversions, then scroll down and click on continue. It will then send you over here where you should be able to scroll down, and right there you can set up your own Facebook pixel. So if you've never done this before, it will say create pixel, and that's where you want to click. I've already done this, so for me it doesn't say create, it says verify pixel. So I'm going to do that. It's pretty much the same. You'll end up on this page too, where you want to click on add code using a partner integration. You can also do this, but this is quite easy, so we'll go with that one. You can then see all of these partner options, but you want to choose Shopify, of course. There we go. It will then load this, so we'll just have to wait. So it's going to set the advanced matching. These are just some settings that you can change yourself if you want to. I'm just going to do what I prefer doing, but I'll leave that up to you guys as well. Alright, so if this is not loading, you can pretty much click on continue. You can do that later on. So I'm going to continue, and this is where I need to paste my Facebook pixel ID. So what you can do is click on the cross, then copy your pixel ID right there. Then you want to go over to your Shopify store, go to the home page, click on online store, click on preferences right there, scroll down. You'll then see Facebook pixel over there. Click on set up Facebook. You're then going to set it up, and you just have to add it to your sales channel. Once you've done that, you can actually copy your Facebook pixel ID, which I'll do right now. So let's see, pixel tracking. First of all, you need to connect your account. Alright, so once you've linked your Facebook account to your actual Shopify store, it will also include the pixel tracking over here. So you can see my pixel ID is set up on my Shopify store. I'm then going to go back to my Facebook manager, click on verify pixel, do this once again, continue, continue. I've already done this over here. And then this is pretty much how you can do this. So all you need to do now is enter the URL of your website, aka your Shopify store. So this is a test store that I've just got set up for these videos, but you want to paste the URL of your Shopify store. So go to your online store, then copy that link, paste it in there, then click on send test traffic if you want to. You can then check that out yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can set up your Facebook pixel on your Shopify store. So this is the final step. I can then confirm it, and there we go. So yeah, that's how you can do this. If this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. As you can see right there, setup complete, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.